Here we are, your Mullan eye in the sky, continuing our road series, following up on our mayor's 5-year master maintenance plan. We've got that paperwork right here in front of us today. We're going through each thing one at a time, try to figure out what they've done here. We've already done a lot of road traveling, walking the streets, taking photos. We noticed that as soon as we got this paperwork that the city crew came out, and we've seen where they've been patching holes here and there. We're at the corner though of Park Street and 5th, where School Street intersects, and 5th. They claim they were going to do a overlay on 5th Street from River to School, and then from School to Park. School to Park, there's School Street right there. Intersects with 5th Street here. This has got to be one of the shortest stretches of road in the whole town. They haven't touched it. I don't see anything done. I mean, if they were going to do anything, they could have patched this right here, but they didn't. We'll walk it though and see what they did do. We're not seeing, here's maybe something they did earlier this year. They threw some asphalt in there without doing any prep work. Maybe that's this year, could have been last year. Now this is the beginning of School Street. You'll notice there's no stop sign here on either side of the road. They may have thrown this asphalt in here this year. Hard to say. But they claim this road was going to be overlaid. Area is 414 square yards. They've thrown some asphalt down here too. Kind of sporadic though. We're not sure what the criteria is. Kind of hit and miss. Sort of a steep little pitch coming down from the school. I'm sure parents use this a lot, especially after picking up their kids or coming to drop them off. You'll notice there's a lot of loose gravel down here. And here's a spot they threw some asphalt in. This is our main road off the freeway, exit 68, River Street. So people come through here going 30, maybe even 40 miles an hour sometimes. You'll notice that there's a crosswalk here as well for kids. But no lights, no flashing lights that we can see. If someone had trouble stopping at this corner, they might be in trouble. There you have it.